When was the last time that you baked a winter squash? Hi, I'm Robbie Sigona, produce buyer for Sigona's Farmers Market, and I'm here in our Redwood City store today with some beautiful winter squash. It's organically grown from the Santa Barbara area, and look at all the variety. Spaghetti squash, kabocha, red curry, butternut, delicata. So real easy to prepare. You just want to cut them in half, take the seeds out, and bake them for about 45 minutes face down until they're tender. You can go the savory route with olive oil and salt and pepper, or you can go the sweet route with butter and brown sugar. Now, one I want to talk about that I like a lot that's a little bit different than all the others is a spaghetti squash. Same concept, you want to cut it in half, take the seeds out and bake it for about 45 minutes. When you scrape the flesh out of this, it comes out like stringy pasta, right? It's like spaghetti, hence the name. And you could use it as a substitute for spaghetti, low in carb, high in vitamins A and C, and it's delicious. I do it all the time. The texture is a little firmer maybe than pasta, has a little tiny crunch to it, and there's a little sweetness to it. But again, a real healthy alternative to pasta. So come on into Sigona's today and try your organically grown winter squash.